up to about 67% of the patients that need rehab are actually not coming for rehab. Maybe they have to travel some distance between, where they stay and, where the bus stop is. For these patients, because they already have some physical disabilities, it makes it a challenge for them to actually make it all the way from the home to the rehab center. So what we're trying to do is to build a system that can help these patients. So the Telerehab system actually composes of an iPad together with some motion sensors that the patients will wear on their hands or on their legs. The iPad actually has a video that teaches the patients what kind of exercises to do and how to do the exercises. At the same time, it also captures a video of the patient doing the exercise. So the patients are actually trained on the system while they're in the hospital, and then after they are discharged, they will actually then be given this system to bring home. With the video and the data from the sensors, the therapist can actually then remotely monitor the progress of the patient and adjust the exercises on a weekly basis as needed. One of the important things that we did was to actually try to reduce the number of sensors that the patients needed to wear. We actually sort of went through a lot of different iterations to look at what were some of the redundancies in terms of the data that was being provided. And that allowed us to reduce the number of sensors to just a minimal set. On the software side, I think one of the things that we tried to do a lot was work with the therapist to summarize that data to the most important and relevant data that the therapist needs. The system was actually developed with undergraduates as well as even high school students. So it was very rewarding to see the students be very inspired and be motivated by the problems that we were trying to solve. Thus far, we have about 250 patients who have used our system, and we received very good reviews. They can see the benefit of rehabilitation, and they can actually see improvements in their physical ability, and that really kind of encourages them and motivates them to do more on rehab. We see telerehabilitation as a small part of the general area of telehealth. And some of the things that we've worked on, I think, can actually really benefit our aging society, where there's a lot of different challenges that I think technology can actually help to solve.
Exercise completed.